All right, here we have question 17. You're trying to find that missing angle within this kite. Okay, you have two angles here, and then we have angle E and angle G. These are actually congruent. So 120 plus 50 plus x still adds up to 360 because this is still considered a quadrilateral. 170 plus 2x are the like terms. And then if you minus 170 to both sides, let's see, 360 minus 170, this gets you 2x is equal to 190. Divide that by 2, you get x is equal to 95. Likewise, let's do this. Angle H is congruent to angle F. It's in between the two consecutive sides. Okay, then we don't know what this is, so I could make this like an x. So 70 plus 100 plus 100 plus x is equal to 360. So this is 270 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 90. All right, there you go.